Hi guys. Hey, the other day I got a package and I almost freaking did a Neil Armstrong because it was on my step, and when I went to step down it was there, so I ended up taking one giant leap for mankind. But my buddy Brian, that we've been best friends since high school, junior high school, and he called me, or he sent me a package from Tucson, and I knew he was getting an EVO Hornet and building it and that. Well, he built it and just kind of got fizzled out with it and ended up sending it to me. He kept the tires because he's got another car that he was going to use them on, but not a big deal. But yeah, and it's brand new. He's never even ran the thing. He built it and painted it and got it to this point, but got all the other parts and the hubs and stuff like that in it. But yeah, I got a brand new Hornet EVO, and pretty sweet deal. So thank you, Brian. That is going to be a blast. I can't wait. I got a receiver last night from Jamie, and I'm going to put that in and put it to my Spectrum radio that I got, multi-channel Spectrum, and go from there. So hopefully this thing hits the dirt soon. I'll just steal the tires off my regular Hornet and go from there. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you, Brian. I really appreciate it. It's awesome. Awesome. So it's really neat that, you know, the suspension difference, you know, because the old Hornet had a straight rear end, and it's got independent, and it's just really neat. So heck yeah, a lot of cool things. So all right guys, well, hey, thanks for watching and take care. Have a good one.